Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to give your iPhone lock screen a more immersive look? With iOS 26, supported iPhones can create a spatial lock screen wallpaper, adding a realistic depth effect to your photos. As you move your iPhone, the wallpaper responds with a stunning 3D-like appearance. In this video, I will show you how to set it up. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Open the wallpaper settings. Step 2. Choose a compatible photo. Step 3. Apply the spatial wallpaper. Step 4. Tips for the best 3D effect. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, open the wallpaper settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper. From here, tap Add New Wallpaper if you are creating a new one, or tap Customize if you want to edit your current lock screen wallpaper. Next, choose Photos and select the picture you'd like to use. Step number 2, choose a compatible photo. For the best results, choose a high-quality photo with a clear subject, such as a person, pet, or object that is separated from the background. Photos with good lighting and depth usually create the strongest spatial effect. If the selected image isn't compatible, try another photo with a more noticeable foreground subject. Step number 3, apply the spatial wallpaper. After selecting your photo, your iPhone will automatically apply the spatial effect if the feature is supported by both your device and the selected image. You can then adjust the position and size of the photo, customize your clock style and widgets, and preview the finished look. When you are happy with the result, tap Done. Now at step number 4, tips for the best 3D effect. To get the most impressive depth effect, use portrait-style photos whenever possible. Make sure the subject stands out clearly from the background. Keep your iPhone updated to the latest version of iOS. If you don't see the spatial effect after selecting a photo, your iPhone model, software version, or the image itself may not support the feature. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and spatial wallpaper availability vary depending on your iPhone model, region, and iOS version. Some wallpaper features require supported iPhone models and compatible photos. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple. Please use these features at your own discretion. And that is how to create a spatial 3D lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. It is a simple way to personalize your lock screen and give it a more dynamic, premium look. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more iPhone tips, customization guides, and the latest iOS features. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.